A dietitian's favorite shortcuts for healthy cooking. Cooking fresh meals daily can be exhausting and hard to fit into a busy schedule. If you can find ways to make nutrient-dense meals and to also make it easier on yourself, then you may be more likely to stick to a healthy eating plan. Registered dietitian-nutritionist Aubrey Phelps suggests skipping some of the prep work and opting for prepared or packaged, nutritious foods. Here are some of her favorite shortcut foods to use to outsource part of the work. Rotisserie chicken can be pulled off and used in tacos, on top of salads or in soups. Or simply eat it alongside some sliced veggies and a bit of hummus. Pre-cut veggies are easy to grab and add to a snack or tossed into an entree. No chopping required. Frozen fruit is often cheaper and lasts longer, so you don't have to worry about it going bad before you can use it. Canned salmon is delicious on top of green salads. Use it to make salmon cakes to pan fry or a simple salmon salad instead of tuna. Canned beans and lentils are inexpensive, shelf-stable, and full of fiber and nutrients. They can be heated and eaten as is, mixed in soups, or tossed into quinoa with some veggies, lemon juice, and vinegar for a tasty cold salad. Phelps also highly suggests making a plan. She says meal planning is the most crucial piece to successfully executing meals at home. Your plan will help ensure you have the ingredients you need on hand to make the balanced meals you enjoy.